Have you ever wondered how those sleek, personalized investment platforms make their money? You know, the ones that promise to grow your wealth while you sleep? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Nutmeg. We'll uncover the mechanics behind their operations and explore how they generate revenue. Let's get started. Now, Nutmeg might seem like a magical money-growing tree, but it's a business at its core. And like any business, it needs to make money to survive and thrive. So, how does it do that? Well, it's a bit more complex than just charging you a fee. First, let's talk about fees. It's the most straightforward way for Nutmeg to generate income. They offer different investment plans, each with its own fee structure. You'll typically find a platform fee, which is a percentage of your investment. This covers the costs of running the platform, including technology, customer service, and research. There's also often a performance fee, which is a share of the profits your investments generate. This aligns Nutmeg's interests with yours, as they only make money when your investments grow. But fees aren't the whole story. Nutmeg also makes money through something called economies of scale. Basically, the more customers they have, the more money they can invest. This means they can negotiate better deals with fund managers and other financial institutions. It's like buying in bulk, you get a better price per unit. These savings are then passed on to customers in the form of lower fees or better investment returns. Another way Nutmeg makes money is through product partnerships. They might partner with other financial companies to offer additional products or services, such as insurance or mortgages. When you sign up for one of these products, Nutmeg gets a commission. It's a win-win situation because it provides additional value to customers while generating revenue for Nutmeg. Now, let's talk about risk. Investing always involves risk, and Nutmeg is no exception. They manage risk by diversifying your investments across different asset classes. This means spreading your money across stocks, bonds, and other investments to reduce the impact of any single asset's performance. Nutmeg also employs a team of investment experts who constantly monitor market conditions and make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. But remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. The value of investments can go down as well as up, and you may get back less than you invested. It's essential to do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any investment decisions. So, there you have it. Nutmeg makes money through a combination of fees, economies of scale, product partnerships, and careful risk management. It's a business model that aims to deliver value to customers while generating profits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.